In preparation for drilling metal, make sure that the drilling points have been center punched. Select the specified drill and fit it into the chuck. Tighten the chuck securely. Ensure that the drill is secured on the shank portion only. To avoid losing the chuck key, it should be attached to the power cord. Next, plug the lead into the shop supply. Switch on and check the operation. Ensure that the drill is running true. On machines so equipped, select either fast or slow speed. Depressing the trigger switch on this model activates either slow or fast speed. As a rule, you would select fast speed for small drills, up to approximately 8 millimeters, and slow speed for drills over 8 millimeters. Select normal operation, not hammer, for drilling metal. Holding the machine with both hands, engage a center punch hole and switch on. Maintain a level position in order to produce a hole that is at 90 degrees to the work surface. When using large drills, it is safer to use a machine that has a support handle. This provides extra stability and grip. Maintain enough pressure on the machine in order that the drill keeps cutting. When the point begins to break through the material, relax the pressure and ease it through. Allow the drill to cool down before you remove it, providing that you have completed the work. Place all tools back in their storage positions. After the break, we shall discuss a bench-mounted drilling machine.